Oh, hello guys.
Hello. Look, my computer doesn't have microphone, so use this.
Anyways, you know, you could never told us they can't even see it.
Oh, well,
Unless it's like, no, they can't even see it at
unless
all.
it's like that. Oh yeah, we're like pretty bored.
Nasty.
Oh, I know she doesn't have makeup on, like for the.
I don't think in any of the videos I have makeup on.
You do.
Really?
Yeah.
I wear makeup. Nah, just mascara.
Well, we're pretty bored. Look, it goes up. Up. Brenda's sick, you guys. Well, what can we do?
Why is my hair not straight? Worthless piece of shit. Okay. Oh, we were talking about feet.
Oh yeah, me.
You can't
I have
see.
small chubby feet.
Yeah, it is small. So, what do you want to talk about? Let's talk about. I wasn't saying teacher's name, but I don't think that's right. Ooh, that gay is gay. That guy is gay.
Nice.
I said that gay is guy. You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Dude, where'd you get these from?
I don't know. My dad bought them for me.
For the podcast?
Yes.
We needed some because it sounded like shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, it sounded crappy.
Please don't try that shit at home. It's that.
Oh
that
my god, are you
music.
serious?
Please don't abuse.
You
it.
think
Clean
if,
up that
no,
piece.
no.
Yes, they love the way I sing, right?
No, not at
Oh,
all.
I cut my hair pretty crappy, you guys. And I cut off my eyelashes. Got in trouble today.
Oh yeah, that's funny. She thought they would grow longer. Do they?
You guys should tell us if they grow longer.
Cough. Is that really when you cough? Is that really what you say? Cough. Cough. I like the song. What's the song called?
What if I blow up?
What else do we do?
I don't know. I'm pretty bored. Bye, you guys.
Oh.